If you're new to Cash App, here's a quick step-by-step guide to get started. Cash App is a mobile payment service by Square that lets you send, receive, and manage money right from your phone. First, download Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. Then sign up using your phone number or email. Enter the code sent to you to verify your account. Then add your debit card or bank account so you can easily send and receive money. You'll create a unique dollar cash tag, set up a PIN, and you're ready to go. To send money, tap the dollar icon, enter an amount, hit pay, and choose your recipient by cash tag, phone, or email. To request money, do the same but tap request instead. You can also scan someone's QR code for faster transfers. To add funds, go to the Money tab, tap Add Money, select an amount, and confirm. If you need to withdraw, tap Cash Out and choose between instant or standard transfer. And that's it. Your Cash App is set up, funded, and ready to use for sending, receiving, or managing money safely and easily.